What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this sunflower scarecrow look recreation kind of thing going on. If you want to see me struggle, then just keep on watching. Alright, so the video skipped because the footage kind of like skipped out on me and just like went into outer space. I don't know. But I used the Maybelline gel liner to create the petals, and then I'm just putting concealer in here so that the pigments will stick. Any concealer would do, but preferably something super duper light that you never use on a regular basis will work, or even just a white pigment. All right, guys, my son is in the room, so you're gonna hear him. He likes to mimic me when I'm talking because apparently I'm annoying. Anyway, this is the final look on this makeup. So the palettes that I used all in combination was the James Charles palette, the Zulu palette by Juvia's, and the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. And if you have an orange lipstick or like a coral, no, an orangish brownish lipstick, use that. I had to use, as you saw, the NYX Vivid Brights, and then put some eyeshadow over it because I don't got no orange lipstick because that's not my vibe. But if you have it, use it. That will work better for you. And no, I didn't really style my hair, as y'all saw. I just took it down to, you know, fluff it out to try to make it look like something for the video. But yeah, I did have fun doing this look. It's not perfect or anything, but it's like a quick little beat. if you're not that skilled, like, this is something quick and easy to do that you can do on Halloween, or like how I do it just for fun. Like, I did this just for fun. It's not perfect or anything, and I'm sure if I redid it, it would come out better, but it's just for fun and it's just for YouTube, so it's not that serious. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow along with the tutorial if you want. My bangs are like sticking out. Follow along with the tutorial if you want. And tag me in your post if you do recreate this or create your own version, because this is my own version of someone else's creation of this, and there's like a billion recreations out there. So yeah, this is my little sunflower scarecrow looking look. Like, comment, and subscribe. You know, like this video. Comment anything you want to comment down below, just to engage with your girl. You know, let's chat in the comments. And subscribe to this channel if you're new, and turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time your girl posts a new video. Okay, I think it's one more Sunday, and it might be Halloween or something like that. I think there's one more Sunday in this month, so I'm gonna try to find a banger look to post. And then that'll be the final like Halloween look that I do. I'm gonna try to find something really cute. You guys send me some, nothing too hard. Like, I don't mind a challenging look, but if it's gonna take me like a whole day to complete, I got kids, I can't do that. So something that's gonna take me 2 to 3 hours max will be, you know, best. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next banger. Bye.